Hello, how you doing? Look, I'm going to cook some green banana today. I'll just show you how to do it very quickly. This is one method I'm going to do today, which is just boiling them. Green bananas are absolutely fantastic, super versatile. Had loads of emails and messages about this. Anyway, welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, green banana. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to break them off like so, and then I'm going to cut that off, add a slit in there, and we're going to pop them into some water and boil them away to cook them. So I've got some cold water there in the pot, so you can see what I've done. Off, and then cut a line into the skin there. And then what that's going to do, once it cooks, it's easier to kind of take them off. Let me do the rest. Just going to add a little bit of salt to mine. You can add salt or not, up to you. And then we're going to pop them on the stove, bring it to a boil, and then they're probably going to go for about, for these ones, I reckon they'll go for like sort of 8 or 9 minutes. Some you need to cook a bit longer. Very simple. So you can see that the banana has blackened and that line that we put in there, that slit, has opened out. So off goes the heat. Now these are still fairly firm inside. That's because I'm going to cook them again. But if you want, continue cooking them until they're really soft, and you can just eat them like that. So we're going to drain them off, and we're going to let them cool down a little bit and then peel the skin off. So these are still really hot, as you can see, but yeah, you can see that that slit has made that happen very, very easily. I'm going to just let them cool down just a bit. So still very hot. I managed to peel them off. It falls off. The skin just falls off. Now, like I say, these are slightly underdone. They're still a little bit firm, and that's because I'm going to cook them differently. If you want, continue cooking them till they're really nice and soft, and then you can literally eat them just like that. So if you just look at them like a potato, so you can fry these, you can put them in stews, you can really overcook them and mash them. Just really sort of versatile, delicious stuff.